Hi everyone, it's the weekend update from trading channels. So let's go ahead and talk about first the indices, starting with ES, S&P 500 E-mini contracts. The golden internal support, that it was this one, and it had these supports, they have a future projection into the future. That's what lines do, and that one was broken recently, and it got back tested. While it was back testing, also you can see here the red broken support, like 1, 2, 3 supports, and it looked like a bull flag for a while. But then the bull flag was broken to the downside, which opened big selling. Now it got back tested, very accurate back test, and then it came down from there. I believe eventually it may get to this double support here. There's a red, green. Actually, it could be also even a triple support. Here there is support, and it into the future, their projections within the golden structure, we may have a triple support right here, and that level is, let me show you, that level is 3150 if and when it gets there. Clearly the red structure to me still looks like a nice bull flag, but it has to be broken to the upside for confirmation. So if and when it gets broken to the upside, after finding this triple support, finding a low at this triple support, that would be a very bullish action. Currently, the current level is actually, in the big picture, we were here only a few weeks ago, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. Even though this sell-off looks very wild, the rally was as wild as this decline. So as long as it doesn't drop below this green and red and golden supports, this to me looks like a correction. And clearly the US elections are just around the corner, so we'll see. We'll have a better picture in front of us. And down here, the red bottom band held at the second touch, but then it was kind of damaged. You can see here. So this red channel is not, you may accept it as a bull flag with a pinch of salt, like a little bit suspicious bull flag. Nonetheless, the broken green support rail is bearish short term. So what I have in mind is, if it rallies and touches the golden top band together with the green, it will come down further again, maybe to backtest the blue broken resistance. You can see here it wasn't backtested yet, so that would be a nice backtest together with the green, while ES is doing what I just showed you. So, and then from here maybe we see a big rally happening. Nasdaq is the key. The blue channel was still is a bit tricky to plot, but it is broken. You can see here it was broken, and the backtest came like just short of that. I had a short at 470, but it didn't touch it. Now the green, it was really nice with the green top band. It would have been a beautiful short, but it fell probably like 10 points short of hitting that target or hitting that limit order. What I have in mind here is this red diagonal support. This is a very, very critical one. It's not actually from here, from the 2019 high. If I show you the long-term view, it is this. This is actually from 2011. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. And then you can see it was broken, backtest, and it's coming for another backtest. And if it holds, we'll probably see another rally. So That's what Nasdaq is doing. Doing, and the that red support is at yeah 10,890-ish. Okay, 10,890. That's futures. So and the green channel is a bit speculative still, but to me it's also looking like a corrective wave. It's not a big sell-off. You can see here it's choppy, it's going down, but normally the a sell-off would look like this, but it's not. It's actually choppy droppy. Yeah. Russell, it also failed the green bull flag. I had bought it right here after the bounce, but then it came and smashed it to the downside, which was quite disappointing, but it is what it is, and I got out of its way. Now the red channel is in control. The purple support is holding. You can see here, there, and I believe if it gets to the purple bottom band, together with the blue support rail, I believe Russell will find a low and then rally big time to over 1650. And as I said in the last video, this is the COVID gap at 1678, and that's where it should fill. That's the gap it should be filling if it rallies again. And clearly the golden resistance has to be broken for that. Okay, that golden resistance, from 2000, beginning of the year. Yeah, that here. Let me show you. It's like this. Okay, this is the 1 hourly chart, so I had to go back quite a bit. Now, FTSE. The red support held for quite some time. Okay, and then in this recent sell-off, it is cleared. Sadly, FTSE looks very, very weak. It's the weakest of them all. The blue bottom band is holding with a damage. You can see here, and the blue channel may become a bull flag. But looking at everything, and now the economy is shut again. The lockdown is back. And this is almost like the last nail in the coffin for FTSE. I believe it's going to break to the downside at the Monday open, or tonight open. I think it's Monday open, and there will be much less hope for a recovery. Clearly, the red and golden resistances have to be broken to the upside for a rally. And DAX here also not very different than FTSE. It fell really bad, and now the red support is holding. Maybe we get a touch on the red bottom, this red support, and then have a bounce, but it looks pretty bad to me. And honestly, I don't see much of a big picture right now. So this V recovery didn't fully happen, because I thought it's going to fill this gap here. Okay, this was the gap, and it didn't fill it. So that was 13,560. The highest it could get was 13,450. So there's still that gap. Maybe it will get filled, maybe not. We'll see. Commodities, oil, the golden bottom band is a speculative support, and that golden channel may become a bull flag. But again, COVID is getting worse and worse. Economy is shutting, so supply is rising. Libya has raised its supplies, but the demand is muted. So there is that. I would be skeptical about any rally attempts from here. This here is, you can see, is a support zone. Okay, together with the golden. So we'll see if if it holds. You can see here this is a support, horizontal, and it's there. Nat gas, I was thinking maybe, just maybe, I would have shorted it if it had reversed on Friday, but it blew it. This red and golden resistance, or speculative resistances, they didn't hold, and now nat gas is running, and it basically broke the green resistance to the upside, back tested it, and it's not reversing. So the only way this can reverse would be by breaking back into the red, breaking back into the red, green, and breaking the black bottom band. That would look bearish, but to me this now is looking pretty bullish right now. So there is no chance for a short entry right now. Gold. Here the gold futures, the golden resistance caused a reversal. The red bear flag was broken together with the green support, and the blue support is now holding. This blue support is originating all the way from 2016 high, okay, and this is 2019, 2020 high, and you can see here it was back tested and held, and it got back tested again. Now the green broken support may be back tested, and I believe it's going to reverse again. And if this blue support breaks, then the purple would be next, I believe, if it happens. And this is futures, so gold spot chart is different, but it's also looking very precariously bearish. Look at this. I mean, this red broken resistance rail, you can see it was broken just this year, and then it's coming back really hard, and the red support rail held for a while, but now it looks like it's breaking. To me this looks bearish now. Okay, so be careful if you're long, and if you are in love with gold, I would be a little bit cautious with that love. Okay, so the golden I believe the golden bottom band will eventually get tested. Now, I mean, if the red support hadn't broken, I would have a different idea, but now it's breaking. This golden internal support here and there is holding, and I think eventually this is going to come maybe somewhere like this, dive all the way to the golden bottom band and then rally, but we'll see how it goes. To me it looks cautiously bearish right now. I wasn't bearish up until this week. Silver, same thing. Sorry, once again here, silver spot, you can see the green support here and there was broken, and I said if this breaks it, there will be a big sell-off, and here we are. This is now the red channel is still looking like a bull flag to me, but I think its bottom band may get tested while this entire, this clearly the start of the rally, this rally may get back tested. So this wouldn't be enough. The red bottom band wouldn't be enough. It had to come down all the way. It has to come down all the way to this level, which is around 1950, but it doesn't have to. We'll see about that. We'll see if the red bottom band holds. Then if the red channel breaks, we'll see. This would look like a mega bull flag, but the thing is, the point is, rallies don't go in straight lines. At some point, even if you are a long-term bull, you should get out of its way after healthy profits. I mean, after such rallies, markets go into consolidation, months-long, even sometimes years-long consolidations, and you may be sitting on that position for a very long time. That's why I'm a swing trader, not a long-term investor. I don't like that kind of, I'm holding it forever kind of thing. It's not really for me. I like longer term positions. I like swings. I like few months. I'm okay few months, but not years. So platinum also. The golden bottom band was broken. So first the blue support was broken, which we shorted at 876. Then backtested it, perfect backtest, and it came down. And now the golden bottom band is broken and it got backtested. The green wedge, okay, this is a perfect wedge. Bottom band, top band, really good accuracy. So if the green wedge breaks, then we may see a big, rally. I'm not disputing that, but wedges sometimes break to the downside. Okay, declining wedges may be broken to the downside, so there is that. The red bottom band at 780 is the target for that short position. Forex, euro, we are short euro because the green channel and the purple one, they both were broken together with the the blue rail that was also broken and got backtested. So you can see here the backtest was very accurate, and now it just made a new low, and I believe 115.50 is the minimum target, okay, of this my short position. We already covered here half of it, and now it's coming down all the way to the golden bottom band, I believe. And then the golden channel may turn into a bull flag. Yes, that's the last chance for euro to form something bullish. Otherwise, even if it touches, bounces, and then breaks, then there will be more downside for euro. So, but the real thing here is the green channel that we bought at this bounce, okay, at 117. We rode it and we covered somewhere here at 118.30, I believe. And then I was waiting for this purple top band to be broken for entry again, but it didn't. So that's why I liked the short now. So just because the green channel is holding, I didn't want to hold it forever because the purple top band was holding. That is the visual technique that I follow. It is visual, and it gives me confidence in every entry. And pound sterling, also visual. Look here, the red bottom band is holding. There's quite a few lines here, but if you look at it, all of them separately on their own, you will find merit on all of them. So the blue channel is a bull flag, okay? So it's a bull flag in the making. It's a speculative bull flag because it has to be broken to the upside. But on the other hand, the green bear flag, yeah, this is a bear flag that was broken and it's getting back tested. So we will find out very soon which one will prevail. So, and the red bottom band is holding. The golden support, even though it's damaged, is holding. So quite a fierce fighting, which explains why it is so, it's so choppy. Because of these lines and these supports, they're fighting with each other, against each other. Now, I believe the red bottom band, if the red support and the golden breaks, the blue doesn't stand a chance, and it's going to tank all the way to the red bottom band. And then we'll find out if it holds. Then I expect a big rally. Aussie dollar, here the golden support, which has been this is resistance. This was resistance and it was broken. Backtest, 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 backtest. This is the fourth backtest of this golden zone. And clearly US dollar is getting stronger. So I'm not sure if this golden support can hold for too long. The red bottom band would be the target if that breaks. And clearly the blue support, the red one, there's still supports all the way down there. And ultimately the green support is here, but I don't think it's going to get there very soon. And if it does get there, I'll be a buyer again. You can see here this green support is extremely accurate. Kiwi, here also very choppy. It's not trending much, but the red support, this internal support, is holding. The blue supports, the rail is holding, and the blue top band, if it does break, then we'll get another Kiwi rally, I believe. And yeah, this is US dollar index, and the blue top band was holding. I said, you know, if this blue top band holds at the second touch, which was first touch, second touch, if it holds, we'll see a big dive, and that's exactly what happened. The third one also caused a dive, and it actually broke the red support. Now the blue support, or sorry, the blue channel is broken. That's the euro's green channel that is broken to the downside. Okay, and the red resistance is broken to the upside and got back tested. So clearly US dollar looks bullish now for the short term at least. Okay, and I changed my mind when the charts tell me that I'm, you know, that something wants to go up, the downward channel is broken and something wants to go up. I'm not going to sit there and you know, defend otherwise or take a short position. I'm going to take a long position. That is flexibility. Alright guys, hope it helps. Have a good trading week, and let me know if you have questions. And to subscribe, you can always visit tradingchannels.uk. Bye.